This is the heating bed cable. So these two cable tightened. Make sure the hot bed, you can see the letters here, hot bed must be tightened. And also this is a thermistor, and you need to invert the thermistor. Yeah. And the bed thermistor is here. You can see the letter bed temperature. Invert this one. But sometimes because it's moving, keep moving, it will move the thermistor out of the socket. So you re-invert it. This way will fix the message of the heating arrow. Invert it. Make sure it's well secured. And that's the way to fix the heating arrow issue. Thank you for watching.